Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. It does not allow you to log into your Snapchat account and it provide you multiple problems. So first of all, I'm going to tell you why it happens. It happens due to two reasons. The first one is when you are logging in too much time. So like you are logging in and logging out, logging in and logging out. In this way, this kind of error happens, and that's why you should avoid too much logging in your Snapchat account again and again. And another major cause of this code is whenever someone trying to hack your Snapchat account. So this kind of error happens. So what you guys have to do in order to fix this? It's pretty simple. What you guys have to do is, first of all, there are bunch of methods and I'm gonna tell you one by one. The first method is you guys have to wait for like 15 to 20 minutes. After waiting 15 to 20 minutes, when you guys trying to log in, then you guys can be able to log in without facing this error. If the error is still not resolved, then what you guys can do is, if you are using Wi-Fi, then you should switch to data. If you are using data, you should switch to Wi-Fi. In this way, you guys can create a new connection. In this way, you guys can fix this error. And another method of doing this is you guys can uninstall the Snapchat app and reinstall the app. In this way, you guys can also fix this issue. If the problem is still not fixed, then the last and final solution is you guys have to just update the application. After updating the application, hope so your issue will be resolved. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.